Hello guys, welcome to SMH Solutions. Today we are going to discuss regarding Azure Container Instances. Is a service that enables a developer to deploy containers on the Microsoft Azure public cloud without provisioning any virtual machines or any underlying infrastructure. The developer he just need to push the image to this Azure Container Instance. Directly, we will go to the Azure portal now. Here, for creating the Azure Container Instance, you can just go search Container Instance here. I already searched it previously. Then at the searching time, you can see Container Instances. You can see here. I already created one container. Here, I will show you how to create the container instance. Click on the Create button. Select the subscription. Then select the resource group. Then you can give the name for this container instance. Then region you have to select. You can select the availability zones for this one. Then next thing, which image file you want to publish through this container instance. Here, I will make it as quick start image. That means that it is a public image provided by the Microsoft itself for testing purpose. Okay. But if you have already image created by your developer team, then you can use this Azure Container Registry. That means that what you will do is that you will push that images into one of another Azure resource named Azure Container Registry. Then from this registry we will make as the source for the image for our container instance. Anyway, I will go through this quick start image. That means for our learning purpose only. Okay. Then for the container instance, if you want, you can select the CPU size as well as the memory size. You can select. I will make that my CPU core 4 and in my memory I will make it as 16. It's up to you. Then okay. The next networking, we will make it as public so we can access from anywhere our Azure Container instance. Then if you want to access this one with the help of the DNS name, then you can give the DNS name also. Then it will make it automatically port number should be 80. If you want to add extra port, you can add it. Then other things I will make it as the default one only. Then it will validate the container instance. Then create. It is showing deployment is in progress. And one more thing, after deployment is in progress time, we need to access this Azure Container Instance through this public IP address. But the main thing is that for this container instance, if you want to access this one, our internet speed also it should be high. Anyway, we can check now. This will take some time. Deployment is in progress still. Yeah, your deployment is complete. Right now, I have created this our container instance named SMH container instance. Now, if you want to see what image it is added into this container instance, for that purpose, what you need to do is that you have to copy this public IP address or fully qualified DNS name. You can copy. Here I'm copying this public IP address. Then I will paste into our web browser. But the thing is that if you want to see it, you have to wait for some times. Anyway, we can try whether it will be accessible or not. Yes, it is accessing. Welcome to Azure Container Instance. The same one you can access through this fully qualified domain name also. Copy to clipboard. Control V. Yeah, this is taking time. Yeah, it's okay. This is for our checking purpose only. Like this way, you can add your images into this container instance and you can publish with the help of this Azure Container Instance. Okay, guys. Thank you.